3 drives now, it should go lower. See if we end up going lower now, this should get disrespected. Only have 30 minutes left in the day. So let's see that, and let's see us attack these equal lows on ES. Right, we have these equal lows in here. DXY surging. ES took this high, NQ did not. So let's see lower. Right, so you want to at least short in the 50% area. That helps me a lot. Anyway. So at the very least, like, yeah, 1R here. Anyway, let's keep watching this. When there's 2 fair value gaps lined up, like on the 5 like this, or on the 1, I do expect a lot of times us to like manipulate into this the higher one if we just took some major sell side. So here, or London low. So we had to accumulate again, enable for us to go lower here. Hourly should end. So right now we're around the hourly open. We should end on the downside, so I expect it to start distributing now. Let's see here. Looking good so far. I have alerts from when ES hits those equal lows as well. See it happen now. It's looking good. This 5 minute, I would like it to close below this. See, ES is going towards the lows there. So it is looking good. Just gonna hold this. It's likely 350 will deliver us lower, at least to here. If I get to here, then, you know, it's a 1.7R, it's pretty good. On the 15, we can look at how, you know, we took these lows. This is technically your bearish breaker on the 15, right? We broke below it, right? We came back up and then we broke again lower, meaning we shouldn't come back up here. Pretty bored. Likely it delivers at 350. $350 lower. So it's 346. Essentially shorted in this upper fair value gap here, or the 618 entry, because we closed below and displaced below the sell side I was watching out for, which was London low earlier. I got out from my shorts from here to here, and then I was watching and we broke it again, along with just disrespecting on you know, creating some bearish order flow on the hourly, right? We completely just melted through this. It took this sell side, right? I would have thought if we were going to bounce, it would have been here. And this move lower disrespected that, right? This was sell side into this area, but order block and hourly fair value gap. So the fact is that we broke below it, right? So then we retraced, and I shorted here. I've been in the trade for a while, for like 15 minutes or so. I'm gonna wait until 350 to see if it delivers, because we have equal lows on ES as well. Right? Sort of like engineered liquidity here. Right, is this an equal low? Yeah, exactly equal. So, let's see what ends up happening. I don't know if we'll get all the way here, but like, you know, I could still make money if it comes down to here. And this is the 30% retracement of the weekly candle. So if we get here today, then I don't know what I would do for tomorrow. I'd have to look at overnight action. It's looking good. Looks like all these longs are trapped here. These are rounded lows, which is also gave me conviction to hold. It's not like this is jagged. We never closed above a high with a fair value gap. We wicked up into this upper portion several times here. So I'll put an alert to watch out for when if we hit low of day. To look at the reaction. I would think it would happen the next minute, 350, into the close. We can definitely move a good amount. The hourly on this hourly, it's pretty much a doji. I would think it should close bearish. You know, we have all these imbalances here. My risk manager has come to see how I'm doing. Come. Want to say hi? He's watching out for my trading. He's like, Tanya, you holding for the close? I am. Alright, I gotta manage my money. Let's see how we're doing here. So far it's decent. Likely I'll end up just taking money here. We have 8 minutes until the close. And also this was a third drive into this higher fair value gap. And we never closed above. So let's see how this hourly candle closes. Key point is I shorted above the hourly candle. So if we end up with a black candle, then I should be green, you know. We have, you know, ES kind of barcoding. We have those equal lows. I would like it to hit at least, like this is London low for ES, and it generated equal lows here. So all this empty space there. Five minutes left until the close. It looks decent in the 15, but there's not really any fast, rapid action going on. We'll see. Sometimes I've been noticing that the moves are happening at like into 410, so maybe I will hold with a stop at break even, or I'll take partials. We'll find out. Pretty ugly, honestly. Let's see if it drops. Up 20 points, not bad, but like I wanted 78 points. We'll see what happens. My risk manager officer is here to make sure I don't make sure I manage my risk. Alright, let's see. Yeah, DXY is bullish, so We'll end up watching this. Into the close. Into the close. Probably soon. I don't really see us coming back up here, though. Famous last words. Should be heavy into the close. We have all these rounded lows here. You know, the least to hit this one. Kind of is like watching paint dry. I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, this 15-minute. How is the hourly gonna close? Really? Like just like the indecisive candle? 3 more minutes. Drop it like it's hot. Let's go. Like right now, I'm probably up like 1 hour or so. 1.2 hour. 1 hour. I can take some off. Especially it's like 3:57. I'll give this until, I mean, I can only give this until 4:10 actually, until my my position will be closed for me, so that I do take that into account for sure. So yeah, I'm waiting until it closed though. See this 5-minute candle. My cat is here keeping me company. Like ideally we close below this to start attacking the low of the day, but if we don't close below this, like I just give up. You can, the best way is to, you know, wait for that OTE, then at least we're in profit, right? 1 more minute until the close. Are we really gonna end the hourly like this? Quite boring. Let's see. The last minute here. What's gonna happen? Will we hit this, all this sell side? At least this. I don't know. Or will I just take the 1 hour and go home? ES starting to go lower. We'll see. Okay, YM is breaking its 5-minute low. Here we are. Here we are into the close. There we go. Let's buy the bid a little bit. Go. And my alarm going off, that's not the best. So ES hit that low of the day, so I'm taking majority off there. Probably everything. Yeah, I'm just gonna take the position off, flatten it, and we're done for the day. So I ended up taking it off there for around like, whatever, like a 1.4 hour. So I guess tomorrow we'll have to see. So right at the close, ES decided to take those equal lows. YM broke those lows, so can't be mad. And so far, yeah, it looks like it was a good call to get out.